Love XX, we make our goals. Y'all tap in with Annmarie. Love XX, we make our goals. YouTube channel family. Love XX, we make our goals. Y'all tap in with Annmarie. Love XX, we make our goals. YouTube channel family. Love XX, we make our goals. Y'all tap in with Annmarie.
I have to make those smash potatoes. You know, those little smashed potatoes that you smash and then bake. I season my water, so that's why it's that color, and I add some butter and oil. So yeah, I can't wait to try it. I hope it comes out good. I'll show you guys when it's almost. So I see people melt butter and season it, and then after they smash the potatoes, they top this with it and then bake it for a little while. So I'm about to melt this and then do that once these are done. I'm about to smash these like that. And I'm just gonna put this on here. So it's just do this. And on a few of them, I am gonna sprinkle some of this on there. And whoops, see how it comes out. I don't know how long to leave them in here. So when they get crispy, I'll take them out. I cooked it. So I couldn't get these potatoes to come out that crispy, but still good. All right, enjoy. And this is how mine came out. I'm a little upset that these weren't as crispy as the other people that I see. I don't know what's wrong. This is why I don't be baking. This is why I don't use it inside of my oven, because nothing comes out the way I see it on video. Why? All right. Anyways, it looks bomb. I'm about to go back to Encore. Of course, it's snowstorm. Hopefully the roads aren't too bad. Ooh. It's okay if we're not facing the water. We get to see the city. What do you think? Oh my gosh, guys. How cool all this table is full of all pennies. So pretty, the sun rising. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I had to get a few groceries. So yeah, that's what you're looking at. I've been trying to find the big, you know how they have like a big bottle of McCormick seasonings and Goya and stuff? I've been trying to find this in the big one. I can't find it, so I got 5 of those. I got 3 vinegars, 3 red wine vinegars. I love this cornbread. This cornbread is good. I got the olives. You know, you can't have tacos without olives. I got a couple things of pineapple. I got Naya these sticks. What is it? Pocky or Pokey? How do you pronounce it? I got some oranges. They're Propel packets. Watermelon. You guys, if you haven't tried it, it is bomb. Okay? This lemon blackberry. Bomb. Then I got 2 things of Pringles, cheddar sour cream. I got 3 of the cheddar jack cheeses. I already have the extra sharp, so I didn't need any. I still have 2 more I have to use up. I got a thing of butter, margarine, fake butter, whatever you want to call it. broccoli. And I got the steak I like creamer. I don't like that creamer. I kind of had no choice. Once summer is over, y'all, I do not drink hot coffee. I only drink it in the winter time. And then I got milk. Crap, I forgot to get the discos. Dang it, I knew I was forgetting something. I got a couple pounds of hamburger, the yogurt for Naya. I got a couple things of oil to stock up, and then I got the drinks that she likes and takes to school. So yeah, this is a short video. So with the Price Choppers, got a few things that I had forgot to get at Market Basket yesterday. I actually got the wrong kind of croutons. I meant to grab 2 of the cheese and garlic, and I accidentally grabbed the garlic and butter. For some reason, the garlic and butter, it makes your breath on fire. So I ain't about to eat that one. And then I'm gonna either make some steak and cheese or cheeseburger subs. I got an onion, pepper, tomato, and some celery. I'm gonna make some chili, and then I got some more lettuce, some potatoes. I got sour cream and some more cream cheese, and gotta have my instant rice. You guys, I call this instant rice because the troll said that's all I eat is instant rice, so I kind of just make it as a joke. But yeah. So I got a mini grocery haul to add to what I got the other day. Naya's been asking me to make banana bread, so I got that to make with her today. They've been out of this cream, you guys, for like 2 freaking months. So I seen it and I grabbed it. I got some mini corn dogs. Naya likes this ice cream. We make milkshakes. I got some mochi. The strawberry one's a bomb. I got the beef patties for Riz. I'm gonna be making that chicken I made last time with the hot sauce, the butter, and the honey. So I'm gonna make some of that for him. I got some apple pies, you know, just junk food. Some bacon for them. These were buy one get 2 free, so I figured I would just get this to add to Naya's parties for her snacks, and some English muffins. These were at CVS. They're on sale for $1.99 this week. When you buy 2, there's $1 off, and also I bought it is giving back 50 cents for each one. So this came out to like $2 for both. And this was on sale in the bin for the holiday at Price Chopper. It was only $2, so I got it. Hopefully it smells good. We will have to see. You know what I realized? I don't even have the weight. I have the Airwick. Let's see if it fits. It's the middle of January, and I went to BJ's to get some chicken. These are chicken thighs. They were $13.29, and I think it's $1.29 a pound. And then I got some tenderloins. These were a little bit more expensive. These were $3.79 a pound. And then I got some drumsticks. They were $12.29 a pound and $1.29 a pound. I like to pay around $1 a pound for chicken. To me, that's a good deal. So yeah.